god.
Yeah, mine has an accelerator on it.
Bro. This is terrible. Oh my god, okay, stop. You're gonna blow your engine right on the fucking driveway.